Well, a bill aimed at tackling Oregon's public defender crisis made it to the governor's desk. House Bill 5031 funnels more money into the public defense system and allows attorneys to take on more clients. The bill allocates $700 million to the Oregon Public Defense Commission over the next 2 years. Earlier this month, Commission Director Ken Sanchagrin delivered a plan to Governor Kotek that gives a grim lay of the land when it comes to the public defense crisis. The Oregon Judicial Department says there are about 3,700 unrepresented defendants right now. Sanchagrin's plan would allow defense attorneys to take on more cases than the maximum attorney caseload. He also plans to be more strict in enforcing contracts with public defense firms, making sure they're taking enough cases. But first-year public defense attorneys would have a smaller caseload. And Sanchagrin wants to have law students work on public defense cases while they're still working to pass the bar. And when they graduate, they'll have a job waiting for them. Lawmakers say they have faith in Sanchagrin, who was appointed to the director job in April after Governor Kotek fired the previous director. During a vote earlier this month on the bill in the House, they called his plan a, quote, real fundamental improvement.
I am not here today saying this is a perfect agency. I'm not even here saying that this agency has made steady progress. What I am here to say is that they've got a new director. We have put together some suggestions and another measure that will help improve the oversight. The folks are dedicated to the mission, even if they aren't always dedicated to the organization. And I believe we have, after 3 years, the ship finally turned with a leader who is a leader instead of a manager, and organizations that understand we either get it right or perhaps they may not exist much longer.
So that oversight bill that Representative Evans was referring to is House Bill 2614. There it is, which also passed and is waiting for the governor's signature. It allows her to fire the commission's executive director for just cause.